Hey cozy friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make some mini Dutch oven cakelets. Let's go.
Welcome to the Lifestyle Channel by Rachel Terrell, where healthy meets homemade. Join the journey to better living one step at a time.
All right, cozy friends, let's open this box up. Happy Friday. All right, this is what the pans look like. So this is the top of the Dutch oven, and then this is the bottom. So it's gonna be pretty interesting to see these made. All right, let's get to cooking. All right, cozy friends, let's go ahead and mix up the cake mix. We're using the perfectly moist red velvet cake mix. All right, so we're gonna pour this in here. And it says to use 1 cup of water. And 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. And next it says put 1/2 cup of vegetable oil in here. There you go. All right, we need to preheat the oven to 350. Let's do that. 350, bam. And then it says to spray the bottom of the pan, so we can go ahead and knock that out. Okay, in the hopes that they don't stick. Okay, now it says blend the cake mix, water, eggs, and oil in the large bowl for 2 minutes. So we'll be back. All right, we're done blending. It's nice and blended. Now it's time to pour. Time to pour. So I was looking for this on social media somewhere. I could not find anyone making these. I found one video, but I couldn't see how far up they were filling these. So I'm gonna go with right before the handles because I know it's gonna rise. So I'm just gonna fill it up right before the handle. And we'll see how it goes. It's my first time, so we'll see how that's gonna work out. I'm just probably gonna fill it up to this line right here because I know it's gonna come up some. So we'll see. All right, let's get to pouring. That one's cutting it close. All right, cozy friends, this is what it looks like. So I filled up some of these a little below the handles. Some of these I have it right on the handle. Some of these I just messed up. It's in the handle. And then this one over here is like really low. So we'll see. We have some different ones to see how they turn out. So now we'll do the tops. And we'll do the same with these. We'll just fill them up and with different amounts to play with it. Oven is preheated to 350. All right, so now we have the Dutch oven tops. So as you can see, they're different sizes. But one thing about it is when you pour it, there's no going back. So like I have it over here on this side. I was trying to wipe it, but no. Once you're in it, you're in it. So that's it. So now, time to put them in the oven, and we're gonna cook them for, I don't know. All right, in the oven they go. That's one. Okay, we'll be back. Let's look at these. So this is what they look like. Some of them are way different than the others. This one, I guess it looks decent because I think you're supposed to cut off the top to make room for the top. So, you know, this one has the handles on it. So we'll go ahead and put that in the cool pile. Put all these over here. This one, it doesn't have, it has one handle, okay? That one just didn't make it. This guy, yeah, this looks like a happy face. You know, he's not happy, but yeah, this doesn't look good at all. This one would be okay if I cut the top off because it has, you know, both handles. So, okay, we'll keep him. This one may be okay. This one is just a straight up cupcake. This one has handles, so that one would be okay. This one, I think it was trying to morph into something else here on the side. So, no. This one has handles. This one, another, well, I think, no, this is another cupcake. Yeah, so 2 cupcakes we got. This one, minus a handle. This one has the handles. This is our happy face, not so happy face. Yeah. And then this one has handles. So 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 of them look workable. These over here, you know, somebody just needs to eat those with no judgment. So let's go ahead and cut the tops off and then put the cream cheese in the middle and then go ahead and put the top on. Oh, but before we do that, let me show you the top. So the tops came out pretty decent. There was really no foul tops. So they all look pretty decent, except they were probably 2 seconds from burning. So, because it's not a lot of cake mix. So the timing, there was no specific time to put these in there for. So, yeah, I think they were probably in there maybe 11 or 12 minutes. So the tops came out pretty good. You can see the Dutch oven design and all that good stuff. All right, now we're going to cut the tops off of our pots and then do the cream cheese. Okay, so let's see the best way to cut this. Maybe this way. All right, now we got our handles, we got our pot. If you wanted to cut a hole in there and fill it up with something, that's an option. That's what I seen on that video. So this right here, you can just eat it. All right, now we're gonna add some cream cheese to it. All right, now we got the cream cheese on there. And now we'll put our top on. And I think, that's how it's supposed to look. But I think, let's do another one, because I think you're supposed to cut the bottom off of the top as well. So let's do another one. Cut the top off of there. And I had our cream cheese. And now let's cut our bottom off of the top. All right, let's see if this will lay better. Yep. There you have it. Your Dutch oven mini cakelet. And you can add as much cream cheese as you want to it. But that's it, folks. It's safe to say William and Sonoma will not be calling me for a demo. But it's all good. You guys are here, and I thank you for watching. Happy Friday.